Hey guys, Tan here. So I've been using the iPhone 12 Pro for a little over a week now, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 things I like about it so far. And if you've just joined me, I've been using Android for over 10 years now and recently switched to iOS, aka the iPhone 12 Pro. So let's go! Standing number 5 is the amount of accessories to choose from. So many that I'm having a hard time deciding. As you can see, my phone is still without a case because Apple model ranges are much smaller and popular. It's easier for brands to jump on board, but personally I think Apple users tend to splurge a bit more on accessories for their iPhone, just from what I've seen having worked in retail selling tech products. I totally get it. It's an expensive phone and you wouldn't want to damage it. The Messages app with iMessages built into for online messaging between different iPhone users. As I use the app more, I notice little touches here and there, such as emoji replies, integration with other apps such as Google. All the messages are encrypted similar to Facebook Messenger, but I would trust Apple not to use my data to run for ads for other people, so not like Facebook. The speakers, they're amazing. For such a small device, the bass is noticeable where you feel like Apple hasn't done you any wrong, if you know what I mean. And the volume can get fairly loud where I haven't had the need to fully max it out at all. I find myself listening to more music on my mobile phone than I normally would. It's that good. If I can compare an Android phone to it, it would probably be the HTC One M7 and M8. They had a collaboration with Beats. Eardrop was the main reason I decided to switch to using an iPhone as my daily driver to use alongside my MacBook Pro that I use daily to do all my creative work on. On Android, I tried and used many alternatives to Eardrop to transfer files between my laptop and mobile, but the experience Eardrop delivered and the speediness was unmatched. Just say my productivity is a lot better than it was before. If you know of a good alternative to Eardrop for Android, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about it. And lastly, something a content creator relies heavily on is a good camera that consistently performs, and when it's needed, the iPhone camera is something I have come to enjoy a lot. Using the well-polished camera app, the photos and videos I've been getting have been exceptional. But the real test is using the camera in another app, as third-party camera apps can be poorly integrated with the phone's hardware. And of course, the one app I use the most is Instagram, and if you haven't followed me yet, you should. I've been using the iPhone 12 Pro camera with Instagram for about a week now, and I can probably say that I'm thrilled with it. And the odd thing is that the story views have risen since switching to the iPhone 12 Pro camera. That's my top 5 things I like about using the iPhone 12 at the moment. What's the top 5 things you guys like about your iPhone? Leave a comment below, I would love to read it. If you made it to end, thank you. Subscribe if you want to see more, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, I'll see you guys in the next video.